Hello everyone, welcome back to Mind Studio. With your host, Lava Dog. Today, me and Dr. Lava are going to be making a firework machine. And then checking out my house that I just built. That I'm already in. So, first, we need some redstone, a lever or lever, a redstone comparator, and a dispenser.
Called a comparator. You hear me?
Yeah,
Okay.
not today. Not today. So basically, I'm just going to do it like this. Put the redstone comparator up right. Put it. Get the redstone. Put two. Then put the redstone comparator. Put the first one at the end of the funnel thing. Quit that. Then get this. Put it like that. Then you see what happened like this. But just to be safe today, I'm just going to do this. Yeah, it should be sounding like this. Okay, I think we heard enough of that. Now then, let's get some fireworks. What are these? What are these? Some of that. A couple of these. What are those? What are these? One of these. What are those? And one of these. We're going to put 10 of each. Or 19 of each. Excuse me. Go up on the host up quick, quick, quick. Down to the chimney with don't sing it. Okay, are you ready? Well, let me see here. Ah! We made it too powerful. Why did I even do that? So it's lagging on me right now, so. So, goodbye everyone. We're all glad you came to the Mind God Studios. Please leave a like if you liked it, and please subscribe. My love dog.